This is a short video explaining the basic functions of the log viewer and editor helper. We are using the Map Tuner editor for this example. There are two apps, Log Viewer and Editor Helper. In the Log Viewer, you can examine the log file as a 2D chart. You can select between 1 and 3 graphs and between 1 and 6 parameters per graph. The app also has a built-in unit conversion feature, where you can easily convert and switch back and forth between units such as PSI to kPa, lambda to AFR, Celsius to Fahrenheit, etc. Now using Map Tuner Editor as an example. Once you create a new project, pay attention to the units and the size of the table, as you will need that information for the editor helper. In the editor helper, you can visualize logged values in a 2D table, including RPM, manifold pressure, AFR, timing, temperatures, and more. This app also features unit conversion. In this example, the default table in the editor helper is exactly the same size as the Yamaha tune we will work on, 20 by 22. Simply load the log file, select the axis, and choose the data value. Next, check that the units in the log match the units in the tune. If they don't, use the unit conversion feature to adjust them accordingly. Then, match the data value in the tune with the axis in the editor helper. You can manually type the axis in the editor helper, but it's easier to use Excel or a similar tool to copy and paste the axis. Once this is done, open the fuel table in Map Tuner Editor, copy the fuel table, and paste it into the editor helper. Next, go to the AFR target table. You can either use the built-in templates or create your own in the editor helper or Excel. You can also save your AFR target as a template for future use. Now, go to the New Fuel table and click Generate New Fuel Table, or Calculate Percentage. For Map Tuner Editor, we will use Calculate Fuel Table, as it does not allow pasting percentages. Once you calculate the new fuel table, simply copy it from the editor helper and paste it into the fuel table in Map Tuner Editor. In this case, there are 4 fuel tables, so repeat the same procedure for each one. Once all fuel tables are complete, save and name your new tune.